Okay. Okay, guys, so today we are doing a German lesson starting from scratch. And for those of you who don't know, I am basically documenting my progression and my journey through or towards learning multiple languages. And we're trying to learn like French, German, all these other languages at the same time. And the goal is to build a community of people, of like-minded people who are also on the same journey of trying to learn any other language, and especially because I know what it's like, the pain and struggle of learning a second language. And I say that especially because English is not my native language, and I learned that my native language is Portuguese, like Brazilian Portuguese, and I learned English by myself pretty much, so I know what it is like, what it feels like to learn something on your own and you don't have any support or anybody to talk with or anything like this or any privilege. So I want to use my story as a source of inspiration so we can learn multiple languages, especially as an adult now, because I'm learning German and all these other languages from scratch or from zero, which is crazy. And I'm 25 years old already. But other than that, yeah, let's start the video. I already talked too much. We're going to be covering up today numbers. So numbers from 0 to 20, okay? Just keep that in mind. I know nothing about German, and we're going to be learning together. So it's kind of like a reaction channel, kind of like a reaction video type thing, but educational at the same time. But yeah, let's go ahead and start it.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous lessons, you learned a few greetings in German and a few common phrases. Hopefully, now you can speak a bit of German. In this lesson, we will be learning numbers from 0 to 20. You can visit our
0 to 20.
page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more.
Let's go.
So let's begin. Lektion 3.
Lektion 3.
Once again, Lektion 3.
Lektion 3.
Zahl.
Zahl.
Once again,
Zahl.
Zahl.
Zahl. Kind of weird.
Zahlen.
Zahlen. Zahlen. Zahlen.
Once again,
Zahlen.
Zahlen.
Zahlen. Plural. That's plural.
Zahl is the singular form and Zahlen is the plural form.
Zahl. Zahlen.
Remember, you have to listen and repeat.
Right.
So, are you ready?
I am definitely not ready, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
Go. Null.
Null. Null.
Once again,
Null.
Null.
Null. Null. Null.
Planning to take an English
Yo.
proficiency test to study abroad?
Bro.
Join millions of students across the world.
Bro, you're serious right now, bro? I'm just kidding. We
Once
need the ads. We all need the ads to make money,
again.
man.
Null. Eins.
Eins. All right, Einstein.
Once again,
Eins. Eins. Eins.
we learned in the previous lessons that S has the sound of Z. But whenever the letter S occurs at the end of a German word or after the last vowel within that word, it is pronounced as in English S. Zwei.
Zwei.
Once again, zwei.
Zwei.
The
Zwei.
German consonant Z is pronounced like the English TS sound that is found at the end of words such as mats, pots, bits.
Bits. What? Zwei. Yes. Weird. What?
Drei.
Zwei. Drei.
Once again,
Drei.
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 The next one is vier.
Vier.
Once again,
Vier.
vier.
That's pretty cool, man.
The pronunciation is similar to the English word vier.
Vier.
We have already learned that the German V has the same sound as the English F.
Vier. We learned that, but I already forgot. That's fucked up.
Fünf. Once again,
Fünf.
fünf. The two dots that you find on U are known as umlaut.
Umlaut.
You will pick up the pronunciation with a few more words that we will come across in the next few lessons.
Her accent is so cute.
Sechs.
Sechs. What?
Once again. Sechs.
Sechs.
We have
Nah, I'm just kidding.
already learned that whenever the letter S occurs at the beginning of a German word
Sechs.
and is followed by a vowel, it is pronounced as if it were the English Z.
Z. Aha. So S is Z.
Similarly, in the
Sechs.
next one,
Aha. Sieben.
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 Once again, sieben.
Sieben. Let's get it.
Acht.
Acht.
Once again,
Acht.
acht. Neun.
The one's easy. Neun.
Once again,
Neun.
neun. In this case, EU is pronounced like OI. For example, in oil in English.
Oil. Noil.
Zehn.
What?
Once again,
Thin.
zehn. Hope you
Thin.
remember the pronunciation of
The TS.
Z in German. It's TS.
Tin.
Elf.
Elf.
Once again,
Elf.
elf.
Yeah, that's good. Elf.
Zwölf.
12.
Once again,
12.
zwölf.
Is that it?
Well, letters with umlaut, in this case O with umlaut, has no equivalent in English.
Umlaut.
You will be picking up the pronunciation once you learn more words.
Yeah.
13.
13.
Once again,
13.
13.
13.
Numbers from 13 to 19 follow a simple rule. Number plus 10. 3 plus 10 gives you 13.
Oh, that's so interesting. So it's like it's the opposite. So it starts with the number and then 10 later. That's so cool.
Similarly, the next one.
14. 14. Why am I pointing my finger?
4 plus 10 gives you 14.
Aha, yo. 14.
Once again,
14.
14. And can you guess the next one?
Wait. Oh, she already showed. Okay.
15.
There's no way. 15. 10.
Once again, 15.
15.
16.
Wow. 6. Wait. 16. Ugh. That's kind of hard.
Once again, 16.
16.
Once again, 16.
16. Yeah, I think that's
Well,
it.
in this case, you do bring 6 and 10 together.
16.
But 6 is used without S. This is to make the pronunciation easier. Also, the next number is slightly exceptional. 17.
17.
Instead of 17, you say 17.
Got it. 17. My God.
Once again, 17.
17.
In this case, you remove the en from sieben and add it to the 10.
17.
17.
17. 17.
Let's
17.
look at the next one. 18.
18. 18. 18.
Once again.
18.
18.
18. 18. 18.
And the
Okay, no, I'm gonna guess this. 19.
next one.
19.
19.
Ah, yes. 19. 19.
Once again. 19.
19. 19. Wow.
And
19.
now we come to the final number.
That's kind of hard, dude.
20.
20. 20. 20. 20.
Once again. 20.
20. 20. 20. Wow.
When
That is such a
V
really weird.
forms a part of an ig suffix, it is pronounced as ich.
Ich.
You might
20.
also find some people pronouncing this number as 20.
20. Okay, 20 or 20.
This
Or
is because
or
they
either.
have a different dialect.
Ah, okay.
So now you know numbers from 0 to 20. Let's move on to see how you can use these numbers to say your mobile number. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer?
Oh shit. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Wie ist Ihre Handynummer?
This question is asked formally, and informally I would ask, Wie ist deine Handynummer?
Wie ist deine Handynummer? Nummer?
Answer to both these questions is the same. Meine Handynummer ist
Meine Handynummer ist 0
0187
0187. Let me try to remember that. Zach 3 Oh, I forgot.
632
Ah, 2. Ah, hold up. Let me try again. 9:45. So 9:45 is 9 4. Oh my god, I know 4. No idea.
945
Ah, yes. 4 with V. 4 5. So 0. Oh, I forgot. No way I'm going to remember these things. I'm going to remember these things later on.
Once again 0187
Aha, now that's easier. 0187 6 3 2 9 4 5. Is that it?
632 945.
5.
Now try to read your mobile number in German. Let's summarize the numbers from 0 to 20 once again.
I'm going to try that after this class.
I'll speak and you repeat after me.
Let's do it, guys.
Don't forget the two exceptions that we have here. 16 and 17.
17.
0,
0
1,
1 1
2,
2 2 2
3,
3 3
4,
4 4 4
5,
5 5
6,
6 6
7,
7 7 7
8,
8
9,
9 noch einmal
10,
10 10
11,
11 11
12,
12 12
13,
13 13
14,
14
15,
15 15
16,
16 16
17,
17 17 17
18,
18 18
19.
No, no, 19.
20.
Ah, wait, 19.
19.
19. 19.
20.
20.
Great. In
20.
the next video, we will be learning the numbers after 20. To
What?
practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com.
Yo,
You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron.
danke.
Danke.
Yes, I knew that. Thank you so much for watching. Now we're going to jump onto the next one, which will be lesson 4, numbers from 21 to 100, which is